He's getting stronger every day, and he's enjoying it. Do you know what a MAF sensor is? Neither did I. Right now, it's one of Chris's projects among so many others.
Oh my gosh, not winter cold, but I mean, just cold. One of the things that I was working on yesterday, which was Sunday, after I got back from my regular routine, was the MAF sensor. And for years, we've used one of these. They're lightweight, they're easy, and they work, but they're kind of a pain to clean. Okay, it seems like just overnight, the weather changed from being wet as all get out to, oh my gosh, not winter cold, but I mean, just cold. Well, cold to an Arizonan. To me, I can't believe it. Woke up this morning, had to put my robe on and huddle up close to the monitor to see what was going on the temperatures. All right, don't laugh, anybody that's from a northern state. It was 55 degrees. And to me, that was doggone cold. So I got a nice hot shower, went ahead and got cleaned up really well, and then put some clothes on in my puffy. Can you believe that? I'm wearing a puffy. It's just the middle of October. Oh well, complain all I want. It's a wonderful life right now. We're doing okay. I'm feeling a little bit better right now. And Grizzy, he's just enjoying letting every other dog in the park know where he's at. We're here at Meridian, and it's a beautiful sunrise coming up. We'll be here for, oh my gosh, we've been here 2 weeks already. So we're gonna last, I don't know, maybe another week. And I think we're scheduled to next Monday, not this coming Monday, but next Monday. So that means this video will just be about here at this park. We're gonna head back over to Monte Vista. That's the big park with all the amenities. And we'll be there for another 3 weeks. So we're gonna take care of that. Rizzy's taking care of his business. He was so happy last night he got a bark box. Oh boy, he was all into that thing. Got himself a bunch of new toys that he's playing with. So we're gonna head back to that pretty sunset in the background, and then we're going to take it easy for the rest of the day and see what kind of mischief we can get into. Thank you guys. Talk to you in a bit. One of the nice things about this truck is when it's all shined up, and we're getting ready to tow again. It is a beautiful piece of machinery. Just got through dressing the tires. And dressing Grizz, who's my ever helpful watcher. Getting everything looking good again. And I wanted to point out something. Notice anything different about our regular setup? We don't have our outdoor kitchen out. These tables came out so we could get Dishy out and get them ready. And the only thing that's come out of the back of the truck has been the extra wheel that we got after we had that trouble in Idaho. Now we've still got our outdoor kitchen in the back of the pickup. And one of the reasons that we don't do it is because the place we're at now doesn't have very big concrete pads. So if we set the kitchen up, it's got to be out on the gravel. We've done it before, but this isn't regular gravel. This is pea gravel, and it's like quarter minus. So there's a lot of dust and dirt underneath. And when it rains, it splashes up on everything. So there's not as much to get ready for our next move. There's just putting the tables back where they came from after we take Dishy down, throwing that wheel back in, and we're ready to go. One of the things that I was working on yesterday, which was Sunday after I got back from my regular routine, was the MAF sensor, the mass airflow sensor on the truck. On Ford, in fact any vehicle, it's located right directly after the air cleaner on your pickup or your vehicle. And we've never done anything to it in the 6-7 years that we've owned the truck. And it's something that needs some kind of maintenance, but nothing major. So I ordered a can of MAF spray. It's an electronic spray that doesn't leave any kind of a residue. If you're going to try to clean your sensor, please do not use anything other than that. CRC is a company that makes it, and it's really reliable. So it was just a quick matter of taking the top off the air cleaner and then swinging it over out of the way where I could get to the two little bitty Torx screws. They were number 20 Torx in our 2019 F450. That came out really easily. Just be careful not to drop them. You know they'll go someplace you can't find them. Once I got those out, it just pulled right out. Before I pulled it out, I disconnected the cable that goes into it, and before I did that, I took pictures of it on the phone just to make sure that everything is going back together the same way. Pulled it out, 10 seconds of cleaning it with this spray cleaner, air drying it, it almost instantly dried. Then stuck it back in, put the two screws in very carefully, make sure I didn't torque them down too tight, just kind of hand tighten. And then plug it back in, and the big test was to go start it up and see. Probably my imagination, but you know what? I thought it was running a little smoother. I guess it's kind of like you go out and you wax your vehicle and you're sure that because of that coat of wax on it, it's going to slip through the air a lot smoother, and you're going to get better gas mileage out of it. Whatever it is, I felt better knowing that I had done something, at least in the line of maintenance, on something I hadn't done since we'd owned the truck. So that's one other step out of the way and getting prepared, hopefully, for a possible few forays out into the wild if our docs are going to release us. So we'll see how that goes. Right now, Grizz and I just got through working out. We're at the pool sitting and relaxing, and we're going to head back to Mama in just a minute or two. So, love you guys. Catch you later. Bye.
Hey Insiders, every time we think of you, we smile. You're doing so much for us. Thank you.
Okay, one of the things that I was going to work on when we get over to Monte Vista is I've got a thing of baby back ribs up here that I just got to take care of and cook up. One of the other things we've done is we defrosted the RV's fridge. It doesn't take long for it to start frosting back up again, but there was quite a bit of it on there when we first started. Everything looks so much better now. So good. And one of the things I wanted to show you, the last time we were at Costco, Shelly got for me. And for years, we've used one of these. They're lightweight, they're easy, and they work, but they're kind of a pain to clean. And we were at Costco the other day, and Shelly got me this. This is a game changer. If you do a lot of Italian meals, you got cheese and things you need to shred, this little device just works wonders. And the neat thing about it is that it suctions down to the countertop, and it's got a whole stack of different size graters that come in a, it looks like a glass for the holders in your pickup. And once you push this thing down and you turn the handle at the base, over here, I have trouble doing that. Push it down, and then you turn that on the base nice and tight. This thing isn't going anywhere. You've got a feeder tool that you can put inside, and then you just crank away, and it dumps everything out right there. We usually stuff a small bowl underneath it right here and catch everything, and it's ready to go. It, from taking a chance at scraping my knuckles up to using this, has just been amazing. Take me about 5 minutes to do something on that. Takes me about 30 seconds to do it here. There's some pretty cool tools. Game changer for us. Well, for me, in the kitchen. And it comes apart quickly right there. Pull these out, clean everything up, put it back together, and you're ready to go. And you can shove it away in a cabinet somewhere, or just before you travel, you can tighten it down to the countertop and it stays just fine. Costco, that's something else. And even better, it was 20 bucks. Nice. Hey guys, join us next Sunday as we pack up the rig and head towards our new spot.
Travel safe.
You're so cute. Aren't you the cutest? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Go get him. Good boy. Yes, you're so good. Go get him. Go get him, baby. Daddy's gonna get you. Oh, yes, Daddy's gonna get you. Yeah. You're sure full of it, huh? Aren't you? Gonna get you. You're so cute, aren't you? Gonna get you. What you doing? Go see. Go see. What is it? Go see. You're so pretty. Such a pretty boy. Yes, you are. Checking the place out. He's so